have some on here. Okay. What are we doing today? There's Auntie Liz. She brought Adia.
Wow.
What are you doing, Cynthia? Say, I'm painting?
I'm painting, Mommy. I'm just painting.
Are you painting? Oh, it's so nice.
Want to put it on the paper?
Good job. Ooh, very nice. Good job. We would be doing this outside, except it's not very nice out today. So we're going to do it in the kitchen.
No, come back. No.
Let me see those hands. Oh, those hands look great.
I want some more.
You want some more?
Yeah.
Okay, whoa. No, you let Mommy do it. Let Mommy do it.
Oh, no.
Okay, sit down back on the floor. Mommy will give you some more on your plate.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, look up and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.